Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to easily join Discord servers. On the left side of Discord, click on the green plus icon. When you see this page, click on the Join a Server button on the bottom. If you have an invite link or code, you can enter it here. The codes will look like these. If you don't have a code, click on Don't Have an Invite button. From here, you can browse thousands of Discords. It also allows you to search for a specific Discord if you do not see it. I will search for Minecraft as an example. You can see here there are 4 pages of Minecraft results. That's a lot. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.